What happens if you have a low self-image? Many ladies cultivate low self-images, but they may not know that they are cultivating it, and in that it can affect them in one way or the other. If you want to know the signs and the effects, stay with me as we go through them. Number one sign is blaming. For you, every time you are being accounted for the results, you don't have the results, you start blaming. You start blaming your background, you start blaming the economy, you start blaming your work. Sometimes these ladies who say, I'm busy at work, sometimes they are not busy, but it is a form of an excuse for not bringing in the results that they are being accounted for. Number two is hostility. Someone brings in some positive compliment, you back at them, but initially the person didn't have any intention of hurting you. Number three is you start hiding out. You don't show up. Number four is you don't want to you are hard to go along with. You are always isolating yourself with others. Those are the signs of low self-image, and if you see them, please work on them, because they are going to affect you in one way or the other. They are going to make you cultivate negative thoughts, and if you have negative thoughts, they are going to bring you doubt in your ability. If you have doubt in your ability, you see how you lack the confidence to come out. That's why you are blaming. That's why you are hostile. That's why you are hiding out, because you lack the confidence. But what initially brought in the confidence, the lack of confidence, was lack of negative thoughts. Low self-image will affect your networks. And if there are very many benefits that we can get out of cultivating positive networks, and if you don't know them, I will come back in another video explaining more about the benefits of networks and how we can use them to grow. Another thing that can be brought out of low self-image is it will sabotage your growth, because you are not showing out, you are not coming out, you will not take risks. You will not challenge yourself, and in that you will lose out on opportunities. You know you have to take that course. It has the skills that you need to implement into your work, but because you don't show up, you will not take up the course, and the opportunities that might have come out of the outcome of the course, you have missed them. So you are not going to grow, you are going to remain where you are. Those are some of the signs and the effects of low self-image. And if we want, we must work on them to help us to become positive, to be confident. And I want you to go into the comment section and tell me which one are you going to start with today, because if you don't start to do it, if you don't start, nothing is going to happen. Another year will pass, another year passes, another year. After 10 years, you start saying, I wish I did this. So start today.